Appwrite versus Supabase, Best Backend Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Appwrite and Supabase to help you decide which one suits you best. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that choosing between Appwrite and Supabase as the best backend tool in 2025 depends on your project needs. Over here, let's start with Appwrite. After that, Appwrite is best for developers looking for a self-hosted, open source backend with high security and flexibility. Then it offers. Self-hosted, you control your data, but also offers cloud options. User authentication with multiple providers, email, oath, etc. Database and storage management built in Noscal database. Functions serverless computing to run backend logic. GraphQL and REST API support for flexibility. Great security and privacy controls, ideal for sensitive apps. Now, moving on to Supabase, it is best for developers who need a managed, open source alternative to Firebase with PostgreSQL support. Over here, Supabase provides fully managed cloud service with self-hosting options, PostgreSQL database with real-time updates, authentication system with oath, email, and phone login, edge functions for running backend code, GraphQL and REST API support, storage and file handling for media-heavy applications. Then, if you are wondering which one to choose, here's a simple breakdown. For a self-hosted, privacy-focused Noscal backend, Appwrite. For an easy-to-use, scalable, PostgreSQL-based Firebase alternative, Supabase. So that's how you can choose between Appwrite and Supabase. That's all for this video.